Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to use a dryer. So the first step is to take the articles of clothing and load them into the dryer. As you can see right here, I have my articles of clothing and I have taken them from the wash and put them into the dryer. If you use a dryer sheet, you should definitely put that into the dryer at this point in time, but I don't use any dryer sheets, so all that I have inside of the dryer are the articles of clothing. Now you should close the dryer door, just like that. Now we're going to take a look at the upper portion of the dryer, which is basically the control center for all of the features and options. Now I will be going over these specific features and knobs on this specific dryer. However, the majority of dryers will have features and knobs that are very similar. So you should definitely take the information in this tutorial and see how it can apply to your specific dryer. If the knobs and features are exactly the same or similar, you might have to take the information and sort of convert it to the wording on your dryer and so forth. So let's continue with the tutorial. Let's start off with this knob right here. This knob allows you to control the temperature. You can see that it has low, medium, high, or sanitize. You can simply turn it to choose the temperature that you want. I usually leave mine at the high temperature. Obviously, the higher the temperature, the hotter that the dryer will be. The next knob is the signal option. Now this dryer has the ability to turn it off, and then if you want to turn it on, you can turn it to a low volume or a high volume. I usually leave it at off, but if you turn the signal on, it will provide you with an audible signal when the dryer has finished its cycle. So you will be able to hear with some sort of sound or noise when the dryer has finished its cycle. I'm going to skip this knob for now, and I'm going to move on over to the wrinkle prevent option. Now some dryers are equipped with this wrinkle prevent option. You can turn it on if you would like to, but I leave it at off. It is simply to prevent wrinkles from occurring if you are drying specific types of clothing. Now I'm going to move on to the middle knob. This is the main control center of the dryer. It has a few different options. And you can turn the knob to whichever option you would like. This is the steam refresh option. It allows you to steam the clothing and sort of refresh the clothing with steam. This is the air only option. As you can see, it has a variety of times. You can select the time if you want to have the dryer functioning with air only. This is the sensor dry section. So for sensor dry, the dryer will sense whenever it hits each specific option. You can see that there's wrinkle prevent, cool down, less dry, energy preferred, or more dry. And then this is the timed dry option, and this is the one that I use most frequently. So you basically choose the amount of time that you would like to have the dryer operating for. So I usually use the timed dry. I like to put it on about 50 minutes, give or take. So I'm just going to do that right now. I'm going to turn it to about 50 minutes approximately. Now, some dryers, in order to start some dryers, you will have to pull this knob out or push this knob in, or some function or some operation with this specific knob. However, on this dryer, there is a separate button that says push to start. So once you have selected all of your options using the knobs on your dryer, you have to start the dryer. And to start the dryer, you either do something with this knob, if that is the way that your dryer operates, or you will push a separate start knob, just like this. I have pushed the start button and the dryer has started operating. And that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you how to use a dryer. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.